Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over all the good deals that are going on at Dollar General this week. Plus, I have updated the glitch list. So, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded several other Dollar General videos for you all this week. So if you missed out on any of them, make sure that you go and check them out. We have some really good deals going on, and I'm going to have all those videos listed and linked for you in the pinned comment right down below. And then I also want to give a huge shout out and thank you to all of these amazing crazy couponers. We have Dawn, Dina, Anita, Tanya, Norma, BIGD Gaming, Catherine, Anita, and Squeaky Melissa. Thank you guys so much for being the first 3 people to comment on my last 3 videos. And I do apologize that I forgot to put that into the last 2 videos. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into these good deals that are going on at Dollar General this week. And I do want to go ahead and apologize because my voice is very weird. Unfortunately, allergies have attacked and taken over, so my throat is very sore and my voice is kind of coming and going as it pleases. So here in just a few minutes, after we talk about some important things, I'm going to turn on a little background music. That way you guys can check out the rest of the deals. But first, I do want to talk about some clearance items that we have right now at Dollar General. So I'm going to go ahead and give you guys one example, and then I'll just let the rest of the deals scroll as I talk to you all about my dilemma. So first up, here we have the Tide Pods. We also have the Tide Liquid. These are regularly priced at $5.50, and we have a 1-off-1 digital coupon, so that's going to be paying $4.50. However, we also have this specific Tide Hygienic Clean Heavy Duty Liquid Laundry Detergent. It's on clearance right now for $4.95, and we have this 1-off-1 digital coupon, so that's going to be paying $3.95. And here's a couple more examples right behind it. We have the Downy and the Tide Simply. I've put the regular priced item up front and then the clearance one right behind it. So here's where my dilemma comes in, and I need your all's input and feedback, and please be kind down in the comment section. So basically what I need to know from you guys is, do you want to see clearance items with coupon matchups in videos like this one right here, such as the Good Deals and Glitch List video or the 5 off $25 scenario video? Or would you rather just see a separate video with clearance items and coupon matchups? So here's kind of my thoughts on it and why I get a little bit nervous about including clearance items into videos like this one or the 5 off $25 scenario. And number one is because I know that not everybody's going to be able to go out and find that deal, right? So it's a clearance item. You may have it at your store, you may not. Now, as I'm watching this video back, I can definitely just add in, clearance to the corner of the page there somewhere, and that way you guys would know, hey, this is a clearance item. I may or may not find it, and it probably wouldn't be a big deal. Now, the second reservation that I have on putting out these laundry detergent clearance items specifically is that we're going to have a clearance event here probably very soon. I'm not going to say within weeks or anything, but it will be soon. And if everybody goes out and buys these products at 10% off with their $1 coupon, those items are probably not going to be there here in a month or so when we do have a clearance event, and those items are an additional 50% off with coupon matchups. Now, I do want to make it clear that I'm specifically talking about the laundry care items because there are quite a few on clearance right now, which leads me into my next thought, which is, there's definitely going to be other YouTube channels, if there's not already, out there putting out these laundry care clearance deals with coupon matchups and things like that. So that makes me think that I probably should go ahead and put out the laundry care clearance information and items and coupon matchups with the disclaimer that these are in fact clearance items, and you may or may not find them, because one of the biggest problems in the couponing community is misinformation. Once one rumor gets started, it just spreads like wildfire. And of course, my bottom line, and the reason why I created this channel to begin with, was to try and help others save money like I was doing. So, do I go ahead and put out these deals now and help you guys save an extra $1 now? Or do I hold off a few weeks? Hopefully a clearance event will roll along, and then I put out the information then when I'll be helping you all save an extra $5 potentially. So I don't know, guys. I really don't know what to do. I don't know what the right thing to do is. So please help your girl out. Leave me a comment. Let me know what your all's thoughts are about it. And what would you do if you were in my position? I mean, it's kind of a tough one because we all want those laundry care items to be there when the clearance event rolls around. But at the same time, you don't want to have to spend that extra dollar right now if you don't have to. And we all know how the couponing community works. Once that information is out there, like I said, it's going to spread like wildfire. So you guys, let me know. I'm in a tough spot. Help your girl out. Leave me a comment down below. Alright guys, so I'm back and we're going to take a quick look at our updated glitch list. Now if I've left anything out, please let me know down in the comment section below. First up, we've got this 2-off-1 for the Dove hair care products. It is glitching and working on the Love Beauty and Planet shampoos and conditioners. Next up, we have the Swab Body Wash 1-off-1 digital coupon. It is working on the Swab hand soaps. Next up, we have a 1-off-1 DG store coupon for Suave, Dove, Shea Moisture, and Vaseline products. This is working on the smaller Vaseline lotions. Then we also have this 2-off-1 for the Shea Moisture. It is working on the Mud Mask, only priced at $3.50. Then we have this Dove Men Plus Care digital coupon. It is working on a lot of the regular Dove products. Next up, we've got this 3-off-1 for the Gain products. It's working on the Tide products. And then we also still have the Dawn Easy Squeeze glitch. That's an awesome glitch, as well as this one is right here. We have the 2 American greeting cards for just 2 cents. All right, next up, we've got a couple of the single drumstick ice creams. These are glitching and working with that 1-off-2 digital coupon. I'm not sure if you guys would consider that a glitch or not, but I wanted to go ahead and include it. Then we also have this 50-cent off one for the Energizer batteries. It's working on the Ever Ready 8-count batteries as well as the DG Home brand batteries. We've got the 9-volt, the C's, and the D's, I believe. And then, moving right along, we have the 50-cent off one digital coupon for the Lysol products. It's working on the multi-surface cleaner for $1, as well as the toilet bowl cleaner for $1 found in the dollar aisle. Next up, we've got a 25-cent off one for the Bounty paper towels. It's working on the 1-count Bounty paper towels found in the dollar aisle. Then moving right along, we've got the 1-off-1 for the Colgate products. It's working on the Max White toothbrushes as well as the charcoal toothbrushes. And then last but not least, we have our Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrush and our Crest Pro Health toothpaste. Both of those are $1. We have a coupon for each of them, making them completely free, plus giving you $1 in overage if you still have the older systems at your store. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for me for now, but before you all go, don't forget to check out the pinned comment right down below this video. I'm going to leave some additional notes as well as all those links for the videos. And if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me at least a smile in the comment section down below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.